Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I made $10,000 from copy and pasting Dr. Donut clips. Before we get into the video, my name is Alex. I currently run a few shorts channels and I make around $7,000 a month from only YouTube shorts. Also, I'm in the process of currently launching a one-on-one mentorship where I can help you guys scale your shorts channels. Here's one guy that I just recently started working with. We only have been posting 3 shorts on his channel, and one of the shorts we posted already has 72,000 views, and that's massive because we already broke the 30,000 view jail on the second upload. We uploaded this video 2 days ago. It's already at 72,000 views. I'm going to keep the name of the client private and everything because I don't want to leak him. Maybe he doesn't want to be in this video. But anyways, if you guys want one-on-one help like this, I could mentor you guys. We're going to go through your scripts, through your editing, through your analytics, and we're going to figure out what's wrong with your shorts channels, and we're going to fix everything. So make sure to join it. It's going to be in the pinned comment, and let's just get into the video. All right, now you guys are probably wondering, how'd you make 10K in just a few months from posting Dr. Donut shorts? Well, it's actually a lot simpler than you think. As you can see, we're currently pulling in around 1 million views every 48 hours, and we're almost at 100,000 subscribers just from posting Dr. Donut clips. And I'm going to show you guys exactly how I do it. So the first step you're going to want to do is just go to YouTube, okay? It's really simple. You're going to want to go to YouTube, then just look up Dr. Donut, okay? This is all you need to do, okay? I'm showing you guys all the sauce. I'm not gatekeeping anything. I'm going to show you guys every single thing I do. So when we're on here, we're going to click on a random stream. And I've noticed that whenever he tries to catch cheaters on his Minecraft server, those are the videos that get the most views. So for example, my most popular video on here is him catching a cheater. It has 22 million views. Here's another one, 1.7 million views. And there's a few more, but I'm not going to really scroll through them, but you get the point. When he looks for cheaters, those streams go pretty good. So what you're going to want to do is just click on the stream. Oh my days, we have an ad. And boom, we're on his stream, okay? Okay, now all you really need to do is just skip around the stream and look for a good clip. You always want to look when he kind of TPs to people's bases. Those always do the best. And sometimes they trap him or sometimes he catches cheaters. Those are the best clips. So this part usually takes the most time. Usually takes me about like 20 minutes just to find a decent clip. But once you do find a clip, here's what you're going to want to do. So what you're going to want to do is literally just take your OBS, okay? So I have my OBS over here. You're going to want to start recording. Then you go to full screen and go a little bit back to where the clip starts. Then you just click play, and you want to skip back a little so that when you actually start recording, this red bar goes away and everything. Okay guys, so after we screen recorded the clip, the next thing you're going to want to do is get CapCut, okay? It's free on mobile, PC, Mac. You can literally get it anywhere. So first thing what we're going to do is click create new project, okay? So you're going to click this button. Then next thing you're going to want to do is click on this thing and make it vertical, okay? It just makes it a lot easier. It puts the media thing to this side, okay? Then next thing you want to do is import the video that we screen recorded. So this is the video that we screen recorded. It's right here. It's pretty good video. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut where the video actually starts. So the video starts right here, okay? So I'm going to cut that up. Boom. Now we have the whole recording here. Next thing you're going to want to do, make the video louder. So where like the red spikes, where you start, is where you see it starts getting red. That's how you know it's good. Just don't make it too high. So we're going to click this and make it like 13, okay? So now it has a little bit of boost. I'm going to copy and paste it. On the top, mute the top one. Then you click on ratio and do 9:16, okay? So now we have the bottom one and we can change the scale. After you change the scale, you can just drag this to the bottom, okay? And then you want to go to his video with his face cam and make it bigger so it fills the screen, okay? So this is usually going to be around 450%-ish, somewhere around here. 466%. Then as you can see, there's like this weird thing. So you're going to click mask, add mask, click split, and then just drag this line all the way to the top. Boom. Now, once that's done, you can go back to this clip and you can see it's not filling up to the top. So we're going to make this video bigger. We're going to do like 210 and see, that's perfect now. Now, you're going to want to make this into a compound clip. So now these are both together. See, now they're together like that. So Now, all we're going to do right now is just go through the entire video, split up all the silences, take out all the uninteresting parts, and try to make the video around 1 minute long. Usually a short pops off when it's a little bit longer. Try not to make the short like 10 seconds long. That's going to be a little bit too short. You're going to want to try to make the short like around 1 minute long, okay? So I'm just going to fast forward this part because it just takes way too long, but usually it takes around 10 minutes to split up the video into a bunch of sections. Alright guys, so I finished editing the clip. It's going to look something like this. It's around 1 minute and 10 seconds long, and I'm just going to play just a little bit of it.
I literally see you. I know you see me too. Do you hear me? Look, now he's acting normal. Oh yeah, nah.
Yeah, you can see I basically split up the entire video. It's mostly almost no silences. So now this is what I do to make the video even more interesting. All I do, I get a text, I drag it on top of the entire video like that. And then I just add a text. Dr. Donut finds a player cheating. And then I like making the font Cool Vetica. It's my favorite one. Also, you can add a space if you want it to look like this. But I don't think I'm going to do it because it makes it too kind of tall. I'm just going to make the scale smaller like that. And then you got to keep in mind that the sides on YouTube Shorts get cut off. So you kind of have to make it shorter. Then I also like to add a drop shadow and add a little bit of blurriness and make the opacity a bit bigger. And that's basically the text. Then I like to also add auto caption. You just click generate like that, and then it should just generate captions for the entire video. If you don't have CapCut Pro, I would definitely invest into it because it's really cheap and it's going to bring you a lot of value, especially if you're doing YouTube Shorts like every day. I post like 4 shorts a day across my channels, so it's honestly really cheap. So I would just drag this up in the middle of like this part of the video. Then I just add animation. And my favorite one for these type of videos is word animation 2.
I'm sorry, bro.
You gotta just pick one that does like 1 word at a time. You can also do like bounce out. Anything that has like 1 word at a time is my favorite. Then I go to the fonts. This is my favorite one for captions. Then I do preset style, this one. And then I make the thickness more, just like 50 around. So then it ends up looking something like this.
Oh. Yeah, 100% cheating. 100%. And he bought a rank. You're so dumb.
Yeah, something like that. Then what I like doing is adding a song on top of this. So I'm going to go on Google and find Aria Math MP3. My favorite song to download is Aria Math, so we're going to go ahead and download this. And now we're going to add it to the project. We're just going to click import. And we have this song right here, Aria Math. And I'm going to start the song from where it's actually louder. Now I'm just going to make the song a little bit quieter.
Do you hear me? Look, now he's acting normal.
And that's basically everything I do. If you want to, you can also add like sound effects like vine booms, risers and stuff. But for like the donut clips, you don't really got to do that much because people just enjoy watching the raw content. So I wouldn't spam them with like too much like sound effects and music and stuff. And that's basically it. Now we're just gonna give it a name. I'm just gonna put random text because that's what I do. And make sure you also do 60 FPS because that's like the best one. And then you just export. And also, I'm going to show you guys how I actually upload the video. I'll show you the settings that I do. First thing I do is put hashtag shorts in the description. Then I go here, click no, it's not made for kids. And I click no altered content. Okay. Then I also use this tool called vidIQ. It gives you like titles and stuff. So I just pick the highest number that it gives me. And then I edit it. So I do like Dr. Donut banned a player for cheating on Donut SMP. And then I just do that. And boom, that's a pretty good title. You don't really need this tool, but I just like using it because it makes it a lot easier. Then next thing I do is click this, submit rating. If you're not monetized, it's not going to show up for you. And also I always link my latest video to it. And then I just make it public. And then sometimes you can schedule it if you have like a lot of shorts done in one time. I just schedule them out for like one day, just like 12 p.m., 5 p.m., 9 p.m., and then boom, it's like good for the whole day. But I usually wait for the check to go away and then I publish it. And that's basically it. That's how I clip Dr. Donut to get a lot of views. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video and saw that I brought a lot of value, you can check out my school community. There's more about shorts. There's a few modules on how to make good YouTube shorts, how to script, how to edit, other stuff like that. Also, make sure to join the waitlist that I mentioned earlier, and peace out.